Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. Na kajingya ka jamaja harut Bangladesh bat kajingya dai ka khaput India bat Bangladesh khamtam ha kajla Meghalaya. Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kisangma buat Menteri Kampung yang Kejelau Bak Preston Tensong kila poi Delhi bani kendu yo Amit Shah Menteri ki Kampung yang ke Sarkar India. Ke Sarkar Jelaling Bak Preston Tensong bat Konrad Kisangma kila pan bor pahara ban penklannya kejeng pahara ke jaka kaput namar kejeng senjor ke sensyar kadar bar kesuk kesan hari Bangladesh nalor kejeng persang jong ki briu ban wan prong tu syapo keri India. Menteri Rangba Ukerpan na Menteri ka Kampung yang badon kam ban ai syu iki bor pahara ban penklannya kejeng pahara kaput iaitu Konrad Kisangma. Hadin kejeng kendu Menteri Kampung yang keri India Amit Shah New Delhi. Ban yakren halor kejeng long jengman hapo ki jaka kaput. Menteri Kampung yang Sarkar India ulakran syai baka Sarkar India kanum ailat nisya Satya ya kinu ki briu bakinwan jam na silyang put bat kala shimru ya baro ki senjam ban pentikna bagi kaput kendai ki bala pahara bha kenang baka numdan ka jingerung yemi ha kaput bensngau Konrad Kisangma. Konrad upentip ru bahagini ka jingelang kila batai bnya ru ya Menteri Kampung yang bagi BSF bat ki sipai kila trei kambha bat kila pet perman bha ya ki jaka kaput nalor ki pulit ke jela Meghalaya ru kumju. Ngila pentip ru ya ubah ngila penjari deka curfew mit hasilin ter ki jaka kaput ke Bangladesh banang penklan ya kejeng pahara ba kejeng shngan jong kisnong kaput. Ong Menteri Rangba haba benram ngila yaiban yu Menteri Kampung yang keri bangimdei ban ailat hagani ka kep ya kinu ki briu bakinjam yu kaput namar ka day ka kamyap kamim bat ngila ya kren saniba ya kani ka pinta. No.
Today, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya and myself had a review meeting along with the Home Minister of India, Shri Amit Shah ji, to review the overall situation at the border area, keeping in mind the current situation that the country of Bangladesh is going through. In the review meeting, we have briefed the Honorable Home Minister that there was good work that is going on by the BSF and the Army, and very strict monitoring is being done currently by these two forces. And at the same time, the Meghalaya Police also is on high alert. We also informed him that we have put night curfew all along the international border to further strengthen the overall security scenario in the border zone. We reiterated to the Honorable Home Minister that we should not allow at this point in time any individuals to cross the border, as the matter is very, very sensitive, and in detail discussions were done on that matter, and the Home Minister has further stated in the meeting that the Government of India is not going to allow any individual to cross over, and all the measures are being taken to ensure that the border is securely guarded so that no movement takes place across the border. Apart from that, we have also urged the Government of India through the Honorable Home Minister that if necessary, more manpower can be provided along the border areas so that the security can be reinforced. And to that, the Honorable Home Minister said he will examine the scenario and the situation and take necessary actions if necessary.